Most people are weak, not because life made them that way, but because they chose it. A strong mind is rare, and you'll know you have one if you live by these 7 signs. Miss even one, and you're average. Sign 1. You choose discipline over motivation. Motivation is for amateurs. Discipline is for men who want to win. You don't wait to feel like it. You do the work no matter what. Whether you're tired, stressed, or uninspired, you get it done. That's the first sign of a strong mindset. You don't negotiate with yourself. Sign 2. You seek discomfort. A strong mind hates comfort zones. You choose the hard path on purpose, because you know growth lives there. You train when others rest. You study when others scroll. Discomfort is your ally, not your enemy. Sign 3. You control your emotions. Anger, fear, doubt. They don't control you. You control them. When life throws chaos at you, you stay calm, calculated, and focused. The weak react. The strong respond. Sign 4. You take full responsibility. No excuses, no blame. Every win, yours. Every failure, also yours. You know that blaming others gives away your power. Strong men own their life. All of it. Sign 5. You value long-term wins over short-term pleasure. You sacrifice nights out, distractions, and quick highs for the bigger vision. While others chase dopamine, you build your legacy. Sign 6. You can be alone without feeling lonely. Weak minds can't stand silence. Strong minds embrace solitude, because that's where focus, clarity, and real thinking happen. Sign 7. You never quit. Life will hit you hard, but the strong mind gets back up every single time. It's not about never falling. It's about never staying down. If you live by these 7 signs, you are not average. You are a dangerous man in a weak world. Comment, "I choose strength" if this is you. And remember, subscribe to the Masculine Grind. 1 video a day to rebuild strong men. Link to the Man Reboot in the comments.